Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have a Bosch brand dishwasher and it's giving you an error E06 and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So first of all, the E06 error is with the door sensor or the door sensor circuit. So one thing to do if you're getting this error is make sure that your door is closed properly. And then just check everything and make sure there's no buildup of anything that would be preventing the door from closing properly. Beyond that, the error could be kind of anywhere along the wiring to the control board from the door sensor. So the next thing that you want to do after that, if it hasn't gotten rid of it, is just do a hard reset on the machine. So that's just cutting power to it, so turning it off and then unplugging it from the wall. Or turning it off at the circuit if it's hardwired. And you're going to leave it turned off for a full 30 seconds, disconnected from power for a full 30 seconds. And then you can restore power to it, turn it on, and that will clear out the error. And if it does come back, if you've done those things and it does come back, at that point you're going to need to either call Bosch customer support or call a technician to help you beyond that point. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.